Looking for a highly equipped SUV with all the right options and reliability? We'll take a look at this 2022 Jeep Grand Cherokee Summit Reserve in Diamond Black Crystal Pearl with adaptive cruise control, surround view camera system, 21-inch aluminum wheels, blind spot and cross path detection, heated and ventilated front seats, heated steering wheel, 50,000 miles on the odometer, 10.1-inch touchscreen display, navigation, remote start, heated second row seats, panoramic sunroof, power liftgate, 5.7-liter V8 HEMI engine, and so much more. For additional details, visit us at marinocjd.com, stock number 10769A.
This is a one-owner vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.